Then there's the Medicare tax side, which is an additional 1.45% for employees, an additional 1.45% paid by the employer. Well, if you're self-employed, you're paying both sides. So so remember, Social Security, it's up to was it 176, 100? You make $1 million, you're paying 2.9% on the whole million. It's just the way that part works.
You personally, you're paying 1.45%. Your employer is matching it.
But then, hey, no, there's more to that because, no, actually, it's not a Social Security thing. But here in California, our wonderful government leaders, they decide that there's an additional 1% wealth tax for incomes above $1 million. But that's not a Social Security thing. That's just an additional income tax that our great leaders get to tell us that we have. But there is, and so I created this one here. It's scrolling along the bottom here. So I put the same things there, but there is for high earners. If you have over 200,000 filing single, or 250,000 filing married, filing jointly, or 125,000 married, filing separately, it's an additional percentage. It's 16.2, not 15. What did I say it was? 15.3, I think it was. Yeah, 15.3. So there's an additional 0.9% Medicare tax on top of that, just because you have a higher income. Congratulations, you've been successful. Which is more of an annoyance than anything else. It's not like you can't afford it, but that's the way that government and taxes seem to work. It's like boiling a frog, right? You put a frog in cool water, you turn up the heat ever so gradually. That's how you cook a frog. It's just little things here and there. And I'm accustomed to seeing this garbage, and I'm so tired of seeing it. But we got to know what it is. We got to know what it's there for and how the system works. Now that we know where the money's coming from, or at least some of the money's coming from, we know that the government does not collect enough in taxes to pay for everything that it does.